Welcome, aspiring aviators. Today, we're going to learn the art of crafting the perfect paper airplane. Get ready to soar high with our step-by-step guide. Step 1. Gather your materials. The only material you'll need for this exciting adventure is a standard sheet of paper. Get one ready, and let's begin. Step 2. Folding technique part 1. Place your paper on a flat surface in a landscape orientation. Fold it in half lengthwise, bringing the top edge down to align with the bottom edge. Make a crisp crease and unfold. Remember, a neat and accurate fold is crucial for the perfect flight. Step 3. Folding technique part 2. Now, fold both the top corners down towards the center crease. Align them with the center fold, forming a triangular shape at the top. Ensure both sides are symmetrical to keep the airplane balanced. Step 4. Folding technique part 3. Fold the new top triangle down along the existing crease line. Press firmly to create a straight edge at the top. This step helps in creating a stable front section for your airplane. Step 5. Wings and final touches. Flip the paper over. Fold both sides downward to form the wings. Keep the wings even for a balanced flight. Lastly, make small adjustments to the wings to achieve the desired flight pattern. Step 6. Takeoff and flight test. And now, it's time for the moment of truth. Give your airplane a gentle throw and watch it soar through the air. Experiment with different throwing angles and find the perfect launch for your airplane's flight. Congratulations, pilots! You've crafted your own paper airplane. Keep practicing and exploring various designs. Let your imagination take flight. Until next time, happy flying!